Do you have a boring space like this in your home? Maybe it's time for an upgrade. Today I want to give you a closer look at this beautiful tribal bookshelf from Nesture. I was gifted this by the brand so that I could test it out and share it with you, so let's get into it. Here you can take a closer look at everything that comes in the box. We've got all the hardware as well as the instruction manual, and then all of the wood pieces are pre-drilled. They're very well labeled and they seem really high quality. The assembly process was really easy and straightforward. The instruction manual is great and easy to follow. I used an electric screwdriver to speed up the process, and it took me a little bit over an hour to complete. Before I load this bookshelf up with my books and decorations, I just wanted to give you a closer look at some of my favorite features on it. First up, I love this two-tone wood tribal design. I think it is beautiful and really fun and unique. These doors are all sliding doors as well, and they are super smooth and glide really well in their tracks. Something else that I love is that each of these shelves come with a bookend that is movable and actually removable too if you want to take it out. This is going to be great for storing your books. If you can't fill up a shelf, it'll keep them upright for you. Sometimes with furniture that you build yourself, it's not as stable as other furniture. This is really solid, and I love the materials that have been used. You can see these are thick pieces of wood, and it is really sturdy. Each of these shelves can hold 33 pounds, which is a lot of weight for a bookshelf, and it comes with anchoring hardware as well, so you can secure it to the wall. This is an interesting and eye-catching bookshelf, and it really is going to be a statement piece of furniture in your room. The thing that makes this bookcase unique is the tribal designs on each of the sliding doors. There are two separate designs. You've got this one here, and then this one here. They are both such beautiful patterns and add a really interesting element to this bookcase. This is going to be a great option for storing books, trinkets, office supplies, or just decorations. There are so many great features on this bookshelf, including the smooth sliding doors, the adjustable bookends, the gorgeous and eye-catching tribal patterns, the easy assembly process, as well as the high-quality materials that were used to make this shelf. So if you were looking for a good bookshelf or storage solution for yourself or a gift for somebody else, I would highly recommend this one.